dolls, welcome back to our channel. It's Bridget here with another look lab. Today I'm going to be getting dolled up in less than 10 minutes. I'm going to take the 10-minute challenge and show you dolls how to get this look in less than 10 minutes. So if you'd like to follow along, I'm going to go ahead and set my timer. And here I go. To start off, I'm going to be using our brand new Doll Skin AntiStress Skin Perfector. This is a superfood for your skin. It works as your primer, your coverage, and your skin treatment all in one. It is made with 10 beneficial ingredients that work to soothe your skin, improve texture, and clear away any breakouts and signs of aging. So all you need is one pump on your number 9 kabuki brush, apply to the high points of your face, and then buff out. And instantly watch any signs of imperfections wash away. Doll Skin AntiStress Skin Perfector is our solution to stressed skin. It is a medium to full coverage, long-wearing, skin-soothing treatment that is formulated with 10 beneficial ingredients that give your skin instant coverage and the extra TLC that it craves. Next in my 10-minute dolled up look is our Hydrolux Smoothing Multitasking Concealer. We say this is a multitasker because it replaces your brightener, your eye cream, and your concealer all in one. It color corrects perfectly and smooths away any signs of fine lines and wrinkles thanks to our Smooth Assist technology that smooths away wrinkles by 21% in just 14 days. So all you do is you apply it underneath your eyes on your dark circles, and you want to apply it in a triangle of light so that the light captures right under your eyes. Then take our number 2 concealer brush and buff it out. And see how my under eye is instantly smoothed away. It does not settle into my fine lines or wrinkles, and my crow's feet are non-existent. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup with our brand new Refocus HD Perfecting Powder. This is a micro-pixel powder that works to even out skin tones, reduce the appearance of large pores, and fine lines and wrinkles. All you do is you take this number 18 brush, pick up some of the powder, apply it to your skin, and watch your face be instantly airbrushed and illuminized by this beautiful powder. Next, I'm going to build my brow. I literally never leave my house without my brows on, and I love to use our brow lights to map out my brow because it's a nice smooth pomade and also has a highlighter in it, so your brows really pop. So what I like to do is I like to take our brow brush, dip it into some of the pomade, and then map out my brow according to my facial shape. You want to put it by the side of your nose and up here, and that's where your brow should start. So you want to mark that off. And then again, side of your nose, through your pupil, that's where your brow should arch. Last time to see where your brow should end, side of your nose, corner of your eye, and that is where your brow should end. And then you just go ahead and fill it in. Just look at the difference from this brow that has the brow lights in it and this one that does not. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to move on to my eyes, and I'm going to use our Pro Eyeshadow Palette 3.0. This palette is amazing when you're in a rush and you're doing your look in under 10 minutes like I am, because all of our powders are poured and not pressed, so blending is so easy, and they're a special cream to powder formula, so there's zero fallout when you use these powders. You won't need to go ahead and clean up under your eye after you use them. Once you put it on your lid, that's where it's going to stay for the whole day. So I'm just taking our number 10 Shade and Blend brush and just dipping into this beautiful shade called Hazel, and I'm just going to apply it on the outer crease of my eye. Next, I'm going to put this shade Loyal all over my lid and blend it out into the shade Hazel. Last last, I'm going to dip into this beautiful pearlized shade Halo and put it on the inner corner of my eye up to my brow bone, just using my finger. Just look how beautiful this eye looks compared to this one that doesn't have any shadow in it. Now I'm going to go in with our To The Point double-ended liquid eyeliner. I love this liner because it gives you two versatile looks, using the line side to set your liner and the define side to go in and make it more precise. So what I like to do, I like to start out with the line side and build my wing. So I just close my eye and tug at the side so I have no creasing. Once I have that line done, I just go in with the define side and fill it in. And I'm done. It's just easy as that. Look how beautiful that wing looks compared to this one that has nothing. And last, to top off my eye look, I'm going to go with our Effortlash Multidimensional Mascara. This mascara is a powerhouse 6-in-1 that goes to work lengthening, curling, volumizing, styling, conditioning, and separating your lashes. Now I'm just going to add one coat of our Nude Lip Wardrobe in Buff, and I'll be on my way. And I'm done. This is my dolled up in under 10-minute look. I have 45 seconds left, so I did this all in less than 10 minutes. So thank you dolls so much for following along. I hope you liked my dolled up in under 10-minute look. Make sure you subscribe below and follow us on all of our social channels. I'll see you dolls soon in our next look lab. Bye!